Hello everyone, today I would like to talk about my school. First of all, my school name is Fazil Rahman Ideal Institute. It has 3,000 students and 2,000 teachers. Then it has a big playground. I play football, cricket and cookie run. But my school don't have any canteen, but I am so happy to read in school. My school is very important part of my life. My school are very good and friendly. Then I talk about my friends. I write, I read. Then my school is 4 classes, 1 Bangla, 2 religion, 3 math and 4 science. That's all about for the time being. Thank you for listening.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।